Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check air quality using Google Maps. Friends, due to any reason if you want to check the air quality of any area, then you can very easily do it in Google Maps. Now in Google Map, select the area in which you want to check the air quality. Now suppose I want to check the air quality of some area in Rajasthan, then I will select that area. After selecting the area, press on this small icon on the right side corner of the screen, and here you will find the option of air quality. Press on it. This is the air quality index. Now drag it little up and you will find the air quality of that area. So friends, like this you can very easily check the air quality of any area by using Google Maps. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.